Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Prime Treasures, your go-to guide for the best gear, kitchen essentials, and premium picks that deliver performance, durability, and lasting value. Today, we're heading into the heart of the kitchen, because we're counting down the top 10 best saucepans you can buy right now. Whether you're simmering sauces, boiling pasta, reheating meals, or perfecting delicate reductions, the right saucepan makes all the difference. These picks represent the best in heat control, build quality, versatility, and everyday cooking performance. Every pick is backed by expert reviews, material quality, cooking performance, and real user feedback. And as always, you'll find links to all the saucepans down in the description. Let's dive in. Number 10. T-fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Saucepan. Starting off at number 10, the T-fal Ultimate offers excellent non-stick performance at a budget-friendly price. Its hard-anodized aluminum body heats quickly and evenly, while the thermo spot indicator helps prevent overheating. A great entry-level saucepan for everyday home cooking. Number 9. Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Saucepan. Coming in ninth, the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Saucepan delivers solid performance with simple, no-frills design. With a thick encapsulated base and durable stainless steel construction, it handles boiling and simmering with ease. Ideal for beginners or anyone looking for reliable value cookware. Number 8. GreenPan Valencia Pro Ceramic Saucepan. At number 8, the GreenPan Valencia Pro stands out with its toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating. It offers excellent heat distribution, easy cleanup, and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. Perfect for health-conscious cooks who want clean cooking without sacrificing performance. Number 7. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel Saucepan. Next up is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro, a favorite among serious home cooks. Its triple-ply construction ensures even heating, precise temperature control, and long-lasting durability. A fantastic choice for those who prefer classic stainless steel and professional-grade performance. Number 6. Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Saucepan. At number 6, the Calphalon Premier delivers premium non-stick performance with excellent durability. Its heavy-gauge aluminum body heats evenly, while the long stainless steel handle stays cool during cooking. Ideal for busy kitchens that need reliable, easy-to-clean cookware. Number 5. Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad Stainless Steel Saucepan. Breaking into the top 5, the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad Saucepan offers exceptional value and performance. With full tri-ply construction and excellent heat retention, it performs like much more expensive cookware. A top pick for cooks who want professional quality without premium pricing. Number 4. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Saucepan. At number 4, the legendary All-Clad D3 delivers unmatched craftsmanship and precision. Its fully bonded stainless steel construction provides superior heat control, making it perfect for sauces and reductions. A premium saucepan built to last a lifetime. Number 3. Made in Stainless Clad Saucepan. Taking third place, the Made-in Saucepan brings professional-level performance straight to home kitchens. With 5-ply stainless steel construction, excellent responsiveness, and sleek design, it's trusted by chefs worldwide. A perfect blend of performance, style, and durability. Number 2. Le Creuset Enamel Cast Iron Saucepan. Runner-up at number 2 is the Le Creuset Cast Iron Saucepan. a true kitchen icon. Its enameled cast iron design offers outstanding heat retention and even cooking, ideal for slow simmers and rich sauces. A timeless piece for cooks who appreciate tradition and unmatched build quality. Number 1. All-Clad Copper Core Saucepan. Taking the top spot is the All-Clad Copper Core Saucepan, the gold standard in cookware performance. With a copper core for exceptional heat responsiveness and precise temperature control, it's perfect for delicate sauces and demanding recipes. Beautiful, powerful, and built for perfection. This is the ultimate saucepan for serious cooks. If you're looking for the best balance of precision, durability, and professional results, this is the number 1 pick. Up our countdown of the top 10 best saucepans. From affordable everyday options to professional-grade cookware, each of these saucepans delivers outstanding performance in its class. Which one is your favorite? Are you Team All-Clad, Le Creuset, Cuisinart, or Made In? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The community loves hearing from you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Prime Treasures Kitchen Roundup. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!